From Panda Garage here today with another review. This time it's a 27-inch workstation. Now this thing has it all. It's got your drawers, which I've always wanted to get something like this. It's got the backboard and I've got a shelf for all my containers. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I was using beforehand, and it was not pretty. So if you're looking for something like this, stick around for the video, and I'll just show you all the benefits that I've found since I got this. Okay, so I just want to go over briefly of what I've been using for all these years. I basically use a tub that I keep most of my stuff in, ends up leaking everywhere, causes a mess. I've been using this basket, as you can see, it's got me cloths in there at the moment. Had a lot of bottles in there, no good. Now I've got this other box down here, and this has got a few other bits and pieces. And it's so unorganised, it's chaotic, stuff goes missing all the time, and it just falls down. So this is why this workbench is such a great solution. So this was so easy to put together. The instruction manual's in there, but I didn't really look at it until the very end, just to sort of get a few of the little pieces right. But basically, I had to cut the side of the box out when you're solo. That's about 56 kilos. So yeah, it's very easy to put together. It's all the tools come with it as well, but I just basically use my own tools. Just makes it a little bit easier to get it all assembled easily. So enjoy this sort of montage of putting it together, and we'll show you exactly what all the benefits of having this are at the end of it. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with the top shelf. Might as well start away from the top, work our way down. As you can already see, I've started to put some of my stuff up there. I've sort of got a bit excited. I wanted to see just how much usability I could get out of this. So I've been storing all my oil on top. In this cupboard here, comes with a key. It's just magnetic, opens it up, and as you can see, pretty much a lot of those containers were holding all these random things in it. Basically, the shelf moves up and down. You can put it however you like. And I've just got all my tins of everything that I've got basically in here at the moment. So much more organised than trying to dive through a tub, having one container holding stuff that I use a lot, one container holding stuff that I haven't been using that often. So everything's completely reachable. I can grab it straight away. If I need it, I'm ready to go, which is fantastic. So this part I definitely needed. Okay, so basically I've got this nice top, whatever you call it, wooden top. I think it's 27 inches across. Basically, that's what this is named after. Now, I've got another shelf here as well. We've got these little sort of holes through it that you can put like hooks. But the cool thing about this is it comes with this. It's magnetic. Now, basically, very strong magnets. Put it anywhere. Same as this tower rack down here. You can just set it up straight away. Anywhere you like. I've even been thinking about having them like that if you need to hold something off the ground, like a shirt or a cloth. You could basically attach it up the top instead. But basically, very strong magnets. They're fantastic. Handle at one end. I've got mine set up a bit like a trolley at the moment, so it wheels from side to side like that. So one side, the wheels sort of move independently, and the rear ones are fixed. Okay, now onto the drawers. You've got 4 sets of drawers, one short, sort of shallow one. I haven't got much in there at the moment, just got my OBD2 tool in there. I've got my charger for my jump pack, and I've just got this. I've literally just chucked this in here for now. But the other 3 are relatively deep, so they're going to get a lot of work once I start filling up this thing. But they all are fantastic, and there's so much space in this, so you couldn't be happier. Okay, so what do I really think about this workstation? Sure, it's not as big as some of the others that are available, but for me, and especially starting out, it's just an all-in-one package that I really love. I've been needing a workbench for so long. I've been using my bar that you would have seen in a lot of videos. The drawers are going to be fantastic because I can shove all my tools in there. I've got toolboxes everywhere and socket sets that can be all put in one space. This thing can wheel around the garage, which is just amazing for me because I really need that. All my equipment is all stored in here now. I've got all one-stop shop. I don't have to worry about trying to find something. It's going to be in here every time. So it's well worth the option. If you've got a garage and you're just doing a bit of tinkering on the weekends, I'd recommend getting something like this if you're really wanting sort of something that gets everything in one spot. The wife will love it as well because it sort of keeps all your stuff in one spot. You're not spread out. You look like you've got your head on a swivel and you're doing a decent job outside. So that's going to make my life easier. It'll make your life easier too. So if you want to get this amazing product, check it out on the link below. And just let me know how you go. If you get one of these, tell me how you went, how you installed it. You would have seen the video a bit earlier just about how easy it was to put together. It comes with an instruction manual. I didn't use it except for maybe once or twice, I think, for the side pieces. But as you can see, it took me about 15-20 minutes to put together, and that was just dawdling. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, the Panda Garage. I'll chuck some photos of this up being put to use. Probably going to put some stickers on it too from Motorex. So I've got a few of those, as you would have seen on my toolbox, completely covered. So this might end up having the same fate. So thank you all so much for watching. Special thanks to Super Cheap Auto for sending this out and allowing me to review these products. Leave your comments below, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. There's videos out twice a week. And until next time, guys, my name's Matt. It's a chilly night. I'm wearing Ugg boots. This is Panda Garage, and I'll see you all next time.